Hello everyone, yes, this is Newbery. How are you? Wherever you are. Hello. Yes, my painting today using a glue gun. Yes, glue gun and your glue sticks, and also we are going to use a pouring medium for your background. Okay, so we are going to use in any colors, just pick whatever you want. So we're gonna try the medium with the glue gun. Be careful guys, this is very dangerous for the kids. Don't let the kids around, okay? Make sure that you're by yourself when you're doing painting. So, and then also this, and then I'm going to use the image for my painting, okay? So, and then canvas this is 8 and then 20, so 8 by 20, okay? 8 by 16 or whatever. So this is the half of the one I've been using. So okay guys, and have fun. Okay, let's begin. We're gonna start on the top right here. Okay, it's done. So the next process, I'm gonna put pouring. I'm gonna use a pouring medium for this. So we're gonna pour some paint in here. So we're gonna make a mess. So here we go. Let's begin, guys. Okay, guys, let's begin. So I already have these colors. It's ready to go. Pourable paint is already made, and of course I need a purple color, so I'm gonna make my own mixture. So I got my own mixture right here. It's like a dripping like that. Okay, I put a little water to it because I need a little bit drippy. All right, so now I'm gonna do is Okay, the second layers of the lip is the light yellow and size 2 round. Okay, next color. We're gonna use a burnt umber, but this is metallic, and then we are gonna use for your branches.